Chocolate's nice, that's for certain, but also addictive, and let's not forget fattening. Even the dark chocolates that's supposedly good for you. And breaking a habit takes a while, anything from a couple of weeks to a month or even more. And eating chocolate too often definitely falls into the category of a habit. One of the easier ways to break the habit is to find something to replace the chocolate with, if you can. Start by working out why you reach for that delicious snack in the first place. There will be a reason. Is it because you're stressed, or does it count as comfort food, or is there some other reason that's lurking in your mind? And once you've worked that out, then you may need a trusted friend who you trust to be honest with you, because they'll have spotted the problem either face to face with you munching away, or if you're a secret chocolate eater, from your waistline that's going the wrong direction. And once you've got the reason, even if it's just that it tastes nice, that's a start. Then you can work out what would be equally satisfying, or at least almost equally satisfying, and gradually phase in the new alternative, because that's almost going to certainly be easier than just going cold for turkey and giving up chocolate completely. And depending on your home circumstances, you may be able to reduce or cut out the amount stored at home. That'll vary. If you can, that gets rid of some of the temptation and makes going out to get a new chocolate fix a little bit more of a considered action, depending on how near your shop is. The same is unlikely to apply at work, because they probably won't close the snack machine just because you ask. Shame. And they won't take it off the counter at lunch either, because you're trying to cut out chocolate because other people aren't. So it's down to you. And willpower doesn't always work, unfortunately, either. The next thing to do, though, is give your conscious mind time to take back control. If you've ever devoured a whole family-sized bar of chocolate while watching a film or a show, you'll know that it's really easy just to keep going until the block's finished and then think, should I get another one? You're not alone. Here in the UK, one of the chocolate manufacturers did a survey just on that. And they found that most of the sharing bars, in quote marks, were eaten by one person, usually in one sitting. And funnily enough, that survey didn't get much publicity. And it could be as simple as breaking the bar into pieces, if it's already ready to be broken into pieces, and then putting those pieces in a bowl in another room, then getting each piece one at a time. Scary thought, but definitely worth a try. Another option is to consciously take back control of your mind. You can do that by playing yourself the hypnosis audio that I've linked below this video. It's designed for regular chocoholics and helps to retune your subconscious mind to eat less chocolate, not zero, and exercise free will as to whether or not to eat it, rather than just it's there. Because that's the current it's there, so it must be eaten response. Download it now and have a listen, and let those cravings reduce at last.